Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the app and device are ready. Update Instagram now because older builds may lack theme options. Once done, verify your phone runs iOS 13 or Android 10 or newer, since System Dark theme integration depends on that. Now open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Make sure you're signed in, otherwise sign in first. This gets you to the area where the theme controls live, so we can switch to dark promptly. You're in Settings now, so tap the three-line menu and choose Settings. Once inside, look for Theme, Appearance, or Display. Instagram sometimes lists theme control there. If you see a theme or dark mode toggle, switch it to dark and watch the interface change immediately. If you don't see any theme controls, don't panic. Instagram often follows the system theme. In that case, we'll change your device display settings next, which forces Instagram into dark mode as well. Now complete the process by enabling dark mode on the device. Go to Settings, Display, then toggle Dark Theme or Appearance to Dark. Once enabled, open Instagram and it should render in dark mode. If the app stays bright, close it fully and restart. Make sure you cleared background instances. As a final fix, clear Instagram's cache or reinstall the app. This refreshes preferences. If problems persist, check for a pending OS update, because theme integration can fail on outdated system software.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.